Hi everyone and welcome back to the Chile Full Guide. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite museums under the open air, the Railway Museum of Santiago. In Spanish it's called Museo Ferroviario de Santiago. It's located in the park of Quinta Normal. If you have already seen the video about this park, you know that this is a very big park, one of the best ones in the city, and it's located right next to the metro Quinta Normal. The museum is inside the park, so you have to go through the park to get to the museum. It's not free of charge. It's about 2,000 pesos depending on your age and whether you're a student or a retired person or a child. It's very big. It has a very big exposition of the trains, telling you the whole history of the trains in Chile. Of course, the fun part is that you can go inside one of the passenger wagons and you can also ring the bell in one of the trains. I also enjoyed very much that there is enough space for you to actually relax inside the museum. So there is a lot of grass placed, there are a lot of benches. You literally can spend hours inside the museum. It was open in the 1980s and it reopened recently because, it was closed due to COVID. And now this year, 2022, it finally opened. All in all, the museum is wonderful. I really enjoyed it. My child, who was 2 years old at that moment, also really liked it, even though she never paid a lot of attention to the trains before. But, it was a fun experience, and I would definitely recommend to visit it if you spend some time in Santiago. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what do you think about this museum in the comments, and I'll see you next time.